Search engine evaluation is a modern work-at-home opportunity which is already here to stay. Okay, and earning money online through search engine evaluation is quite possible. And besides, it's a very good way to earn partly online because what they offer in terms of payment is quite much more than the minimum wage in most countries out there. Welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze, and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online and everything that surrounds making money online. And I would indulge you to like this video, and if you are genuinely interested in making money online, then go ahead to subscribe and click that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this about making money online, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, so according to Google, search engine evaluation is actually a process of measuring the quality of our search results. Oftentimes, most of us go online to search for a particular term or keyword and all that, and the bots are not always correct. So they need human input to check or to checkmate their activities, the result they give us and all that, and that's where search engine evaluators come in. Okay, so search engine evaluators actually they analyze the accuracy and the clarity of search engine results, and also analyze web search or they do web search evaluation, video evaluation, ad evaluation, as well as image and many more things that the search engine provides as results. So generally, search engine evaluators checkmate or they look at the accuracy, or they try to oversee our experience as users of search engines and be sure that whatever results we get from our search terms or our search engine experience is actually accurate and fits to whatever information that we want to get out of the search engine. Search engine evaluation job is actually very wonderful. It's a new kind of make money online, and it's here to stay because almost every one of us use search engines. Search engines are getting more and more traction. Almost everybody come online. The first thing they do is they hop onto Google or Yahoo or Bing to search. Okay, so that job is here to stay, whether you like it or not. How much do search engine evaluators earn annually? They could earn about $30,000 to $35,000 annually, and most of the jobs pay you from $13 to $17 or $20 per hour, though they will require you to put in very good amount of hours. Some will require you to put in as much as 10 to 30 hours weekly, while others could require you to put in as much as 4 to 5 hours every day. Okay, so, and if you follow me in this video till the very end, I'm going to list out 5 websites where you could actually apply for search engine evaluation jobs and start making money on the side. I have a reason for stressing that on the side, which I'm going to mention to you before the end of this video. Okay, so what are the responsibilities of search engine evaluators? First and foremost, they produce qualitative data and metrics to assess the relevance of our search results. That aside, they also serve as an expert on current trend in digital search and video and on the web. So anything that has to do with search engine, trend, hashtags and all that, they help to evaluate the results we get and make sure that the search engine is giving you the actual thing you want to get. Okay, so, and the third responsibility of search engine evaluators is to analyze the usefulness, relevance, and quality of search engine results. Very important, because trust me, you wouldn't like it if you go on Google or any of the search engines out there to type in a particular word and it's giving you an entirely different thing. Imagine you are in Nigeria, you type about shoes and you are getting results from shops or e-com sites in US. Over time, you get tired of using the search engines. So that's why search engine evaluators are always there, because that human input is very important to always upgrade the intelligence of the AI bots and all that. Okay, then the next responsibility of search engine evaluator is to utilize qualitative information to make suggestions for improving search engine results. And the last but not the least is to present evaluation results, suggestions, recommendations, and solutions to the department necessary or to the department responsible in educating this artificial intelligence machine so that they can put out more precise, quality, and straight to the point results, so that whenever you go on search engine to type anything, you get your desired information. Okay, so having said that, let's get right to the 5 websites where you can actually apply for search engine evaluation job and start making money on the side. Okay, and various websites call search engine evaluators different names. Some call them internet analysts, some call them internet assessors, some call them search media analysts, some call them so many different names. But whatever thing you see out there, it all falls under search engine evaluation. Okay, so the first website where you can actually sign up and start making money as a search engine evaluator is iPen. Okay, iPen offers you localized roles for search media analysts that call for about 4 to 5 hours every day. So they need you to, once you qualify for the job, they need your attention 4 to 5 hours every day to get some of these jobs done. And it ranges from video rating, ad rating, image rating and comparison, and so many other functions that will have to help the search engine bots to give good results. And before you qualify to work with Appen, you go through a series of tests, and this series of tests, they're actually 3 in number, the major ones, and it could last between 2 to 3 weeks. And those series of tests include English tests, search engine tests, technical skill tests. And it's only when you pass these 3 tests, that's when you qualify to work as a search engine evaluator on this platform, Appen. Okay, and they are willing to pay you as much as $14 to $17 or more, provided you have more experience. But as a beginner who had just qualified to work with them, they give you as much as $14 to $17 per hour. Okay, so imagine when you put in as much as 4 to 5 hours every day, and you get to work like 4 days in a week. That's a huge money on the side. Okay, so the next one is Lionbridge. That's another powerful website where you can actually earn money as a search engine evaluator. So Lionbridge actually call theirs search engine evaluators. They call them internet assessor. That's what they call their search engine evaluators, internet assessors. So when you go on Lionbridge and you see the term internet assessor, it's the same thing as search engine evaluators. Okay, so and just like Appen, they are available in different languages, and all you just have to do is to sign up, tick on your country and on your language, and you see the available jobs for your own country or for your own language and all that. But just like Appen, you have to go through some series of tests. It's only when you pass this series of tests that's when you qualify to be among the team of search engine evaluators that work on Lionbridge, and you get exposed to several jobs, and the more you work on these jobs, the more you earn. Okay, so and Lionbridge is willing, or they pay you as much as $13 to $17 per hour, and they require you to put in as much as 10 to 15 or 20 hours weekly. Okay, so the next one is Workforce Logic. They're actually based in Florida, USA. The only downside to this is that they accept only US citizens. Okay, Workforce Logic call their search engine evaluators web search raters or ad quality raters and so many other names. And all you just have to do is to get in here, sign up. Meanwhile, if you have a degree, it's an added advantage. And if you have any other digital skill that has to do with, probably digital marketing or search engine related skill, then it's also an added advantage. And they are willing to pay you as much as $14 to $15 to $17 per hour. That's as a beginner. Okay. Then the next one is Google itself. Yeah, actually, search engine job is rarely available with Google directly, because already Google use Appen and Lionbridge to take care of their search engine evaluators. So you may find it hard to get this job directly from Google. However, if you are fortunate, you could actually get this job. But if you get this job, you are meant to sign an NDA, non-disclosure agreement, which is very, very important. And Google requires you to put in as much as 10 to 30 hours every week to work as their search engine evaluator, and they're willing to pay you as much as $14 to $15 per hour. Then the fifth website, which is not the least on our list anyway, but it's the last on our list for today, that is iSoftStone. Okay, iSoftStone doesn't provide you a lot of job openings. That's the one downside to it. It doesn't provide you so much job opportunity. but I wouldn't have suggested this or this website, but I included it because of one advantage. You don't need to have any prior experience, or you don't need to be an expert, or be a degree holder, or have wonderful CV before you could work on this platform. iSoftstone has this opportunity of training you on the job. Okay, you get paid, they train you on the job and improve on your experience. So that's one of the reasons I mentioned them. So if you are a new person in this search engine evaluation job, you could actually get started with iSoftstone because you learn on the job. So no fears of you don't have experience, you don't have a good CV and all that. Okay, so and they are willing to pay you as much as $13 to $15 per job, which they increase over time depending on how good your experience is, and they require you to put in as much as 10 to 25 hours every week. Okay, so having learned about the 5 websites where you can actually start working as a search engine evaluator out there online, I have to tell you this. I strongly advise you not to use search engine evaluation job as a full-time way of making money online, because the jobs are not always readily available. But you could actually use it as a part-time, provided that you know how to manage your time and you know how to use your time very well. So you can actually give out 3 to 5 hours every day, or 10 to 30 hours every week to work on this job and make money on the side. However, if you're looking for a way you can actually make money online, in terms of making money online and taking it as your full-time employment, making money online, there are so many videos on this channel you could actually go out to and watch those videos. It's going to teach you how to make money online, be it as a digital marketer, as a writer, or as a freelancer that has any kind of skill. Okay, so that's the way to go about it. But most importantly, don't use this search engine evaluation job as a full-time job opportunity. Treat it as a part-time, because the job is rarely available. So having been with me in this video up to this moment, thank you for watching, and I will indulge you to like this video. And if you are sincerely interested in making money online, then go ahead to subscribe and smash that bell notification icon, so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. Thank you for watching, and see you